called iDisplay. Inside this I have created one method display. I'm going to use this method into the concrete class. So I'm going to create one mobile class. Okay, so I have given this uh, taken this here mobile and implements I display. So you can see here you are getting the red line. So it is saying that you must implement the methods. So which methods it is talking about? This display method I have declared. Once we have implement, we must declared the body of this display method. No, I'm not going to only display. This is a mobile class. Okay. Now I have created one interface, one concrete class. Inside the concrete mobile class, I implement the iDisplay and override this display method. Now I am creating another class called demo, where I will